For decades, discovering new medicines has been painfully slow. Scientists come up with drug design ideas, run physical experiments, wait for results, then try again, and again. The world's greatest breakthroughs don't fail because we lack imagination. They fail because we run out of time, money, or resources. And the bottleneck is almost always the same. We can't test fast enough. But then, something changed. AI models began solving problems once thought impossible, which was the demonstration of generalizable, data-driven models of molecular biology. But just as the future began to open, it also began to close. The most powerful models were locked behind a small handful of companies, accessible only through partnerships, million-dollar deals, or not accessible at all. If only a few teams can use these tools, then only a few teams shape the future of medicine. That's why we built Boltz. We believe every scientist, not just the biggest labs, should have access to frontier AI models for designing new medicines. So we built them ourselves, and then we open-sourced them. Today, more than 100,000 scientists use Boltz models across the world's top pharma companies and thousands of biotechs. They predict molecular structures, they model interactions, they design proteins, and they do it all from their computer. To truly serve these scientists, we didn't become a drug company. We became a tools company, because competing with our users would limit the ecosystem, but empowering them will expand it. Teams pay only for what they run: predictions, design campaigns, or large-scale screening. No walls, no lock-in, no giant contracts. Because we realize that the more accessible we make the tools, the more breakthroughs the world can produce. We're building toward a world where a scientist can go from therapeutic hypothesis to human-ready molecule without leaving their computer. And that future only works if everyone has access. That's why Boltz is a public benefit company. That's why we continue to open source our models. And that's why we're building tools the entire world can use. Now, small teams can solve big diseases. Because the next big cure may not come from the biggest lab in the world, but from the smartest idea. Made possible with Boltz.